Assalamu alaikum once again, my dear students. Hope you are fit and fine at your homes. So please, let's move to the next topic. Don't waste your time and please start working on efficiently Wren and Martin, because we are moving towards the compositions. We have done in the previous lectures some comprehensions. Now you know very well that how to comprehend a text. You need no one's help. So we are moving towards unit number 18, composition. It is present on your book page number 238. Now it's time to be serious little bit, because we are talking about the passages. What do you mean by the word composition? First, let's see the meaning, the foundation of the word composition. Composition is a piece of writing, and it's a Latin word that means componere. It comes from the word componere. This is Latin word. It's not English word, it's a Latin word. It means that this concept has been given by Latins to us, and it's a complete phenomena, a complete scenario of telling something summarizationally, because in a summarized way, in a good summarized way, well elaboratively, you are able to write something about composition. It's not big paragraphs, it's not like comprehensions, it is just a short passages, but completely about something. So what do you mean if I say that something that I put together by the word componere? I have used a synonym for the componere is put together. Yes, you got my point. It means that composition means something that I have been or you put together. It means that all the introduction of something or someone, a complete message of something or someone, and a conclusion in the end, in fact, about the sentences that we have used previously are both put together in one paragraph. This is all your composition. Yes, you got my point, and it has been divided into three main parts. The first part is the subject sentence. The second part is body sentence, and the third part is the conclusion, the concluded sentences. It's your analysis that what you are going to think about it. What have you written about the introduction of something, and how you have put a well detailed message about it in the second few lines, and in the last 3 lines or maybe in 2 lines you are going to conclude about it. So what do you think, that it's a bridge between essay and descriptive writing? Exactly, it's a bridge, because after writing a composition you will be able to move toward a descriptive writing and to move towards the essay writing. Descriptive writing and essay writing is little bit longer than the composition. So it means that after practicing composition, you will be surely able to write about it. So let's move to the page number 238. There has been mentioned a very great paragraph to you that has been written in a composition, but on the next page, on 239, it has been divided into 3 main parts. So I would like to read it from this page, so you all can see from your book pages that it's written about nowadays every family owns a washing machine for the household laundry. In the image you can also see that it's a laundry, and in laundry there is a washing machine that has been used. So it means that this is the start of the composition. How you are going to start it? You have to do something realistic about that particular thing that you are going to use. If I have selected the topic of my book, so I have to write about it in this way, that books are friends who never leave your side. This is very true, that as books are always your good friends, and you can move and you can see, you can visit far away from your books. So it means that I have used something good, idealistic thing about the topic that I have chosen. So it means that in these 2 lines I have given you a subject. The body sentence will be from the next few lines. In fact, washing machine is a very convenient invention that washes clothes whenever one times it too. You can see in the images that how the washing machine is moving and it is washing the clothes very easily. There is no need to use your hands for that. You just need to put some detergent or any of the softener in your washing machines and it will goes round and round, round and round, and your clothes will be clean and neat. So the next last few lines are your concluding sentences, but before that read the body sentences clearly. Concluding sentences are whether front opening or top loading washing machines have indeed become a boom for the modern day household. These lines tells us something very important about the washing machines, that why washing machines are very important in our lives. These have become the boom, means a very great necessity for us nowadays. We can't work without it. We can't wash our clothes and big things like the curtains and the bed sheets without washing machines. So what if I have chosen one exercise topic for you? There are 4 topics that has been given to you. You have to do individually work on it. But I have used one very important topic from your exercise, and that is my favorite book. I have given this topic. Introduction has been discussed before with you, but I am going to repeat it for you. Like, books are friends who never leave your side. This is very true, as books have always been there for me. This is your subject that I have given you. The next will be the body. The body will be, my favorite book is Harry Potter, written by J.K. Rowling. These books show the visiting world in its working. She put all the things so magical that looks real. In fact, Harry Potter is really a book that you are going to enjoy it if you will read it. The last few lines will be the conclusion. Like, all the characters are described by Rowling are simply brilliant. It made me become a greater fan of the series. Therefore, no movie can replace the originality of the books. This is the conclusion after reading few series of the Harry Potter, that I come to the conclusion that there is no replacement of any movie with the books. Movies are working on their own because there are some visual effects, but reading is something else. So I have chosen this topic. What's your topic? Please keep on working and do very short and very good elaborative composition. I know that you can do it. You are Wren and Martin's experts. So please keep on working and practicing. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.